Today's video is a throwback video of Remy and Buster at the cottage. We had a great time last year, and these are just parts of what I loved. So I edited it all into one video of parts that I loved during the camping trip last year. I was hoping to go again this year, but I'm not sure if we will. Hopefully we will. If not, hopefully next year. Sorry. We're trying to make sure we get this bow, and I filmed. Aw, good girl, good boy. Look at that, guys. Oh, so beautiful. Look at those waves, guys. I don't know if you guys... Hey, Remy, hi! We're taking pictures of the lake view. Oh, that's perfect. There you go. Good job. Yay! Oh, that's perfect. Good job, puppies. Aw. Yay. Hopefully we'll see the sunset. Somewhere else, though. This phone is not going to show it. There we go. Yes. You won't see it with the lake, but you'll see it. There it is. More of the sunset one more time. Just beautiful. Yeah, cutie. Doing? How you doing? Very cute. For some reason, it's showing better on my phone than in my camera. It's a sunrise. Or kinda. Oops. So good morning, guys. You guys are so cute. Remy. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, that's cute. They're looking out the window together. I love the sound. Wavy. Alright. Probably go back. Let's see what the dogs are doing. Last walk, guys. Now we're going home. Woo! Sadly. Look at this. This is beautiful there. Alrighty. These were just a little bit of my favorite parts of this camping trip that I put in one video. Hope you guys enjoy. This was Buster's last camping video, and I miss him already, and I miss camping, and hopefully we get to go, if not this year, next year. Hug and love your pets, and don't stop believing in yourself. Embrace what today has to offer, and every day later.